Hello there, join me as we assemble and use Deluxe EC-6024 4G. This gas comes enclosed in a box. All the necessities for setting it up, that is the stands, screws, 2 trays or shelves if you would like. Burner caps are all enclosed there in the box. Its whole body is made of porcelain metal. It has spray paint dust-proof cover to maintain elegance for longer. To set it up, you install screws from the main joints, all 4 of them. Then you install the trays from the middle one to the last one. Follows the stove cap. Its installation can be easy, as you can see. This product has a stainless worktop. It has 4 gas burners with aluminum base, strong and durable grills, enamel-coated burner caps. Its knobs are strong and easy to use. After connecting your gas cylinder, you will need a battery to use it. This is where you install it. To light up the first burner, press the pulse ignition button and switch the first knob anti-clockwise. The second knob is for the second burner from the right. The third burner is for first burner from the left, and finally the last knob is for the last burner from left. Eurochef, simple life.